Hello students and very good morning to you all. My name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Guruk. And as you all know, I am a subject teacher of social studies. Okay, and this video is for class 5th students. In this video, we are going to start some new topics. Okay, of our third chapter, that is weather and climate. Okay, our third chapter is weather and climate. Okay, in our previous video we had started this chapter and we had learned that what is weather, okay, what is climate, okay, and we had also got some points regarding that how weather and climate is being formed, how it is determined that this atmospheric condition is weather and particular atmospheric condition is climate. Okay, so these things we have started in our previous video. What are the learning outcomes of this chapter, that also we have discussed in our previous video. In today's video, we are going to start from page number 20. Sorry, we are going to start from page number 18. Okay, that is factors influencing climate. Factors influencing climate. Okay, factors influencing climate. So under this heading we are going to start that what are the factors that influence climate. Okay, now before starting to this topic, okay, in the left side of this page number 18, one point is given, right value. Okay, what it is given under the right values: walk or cycle whenever you can to save on fuel. When vehicles use fuels like petrol and diesel, carbon dioxide is released into the air. Okay, the increasing level of carbon dioxide in the air is causing temperatures around the world to rise. Okay, rising global temperatures are changing the climate and the environment. Okay, so what is the right value regarding our life, our daily life, that whenever we get time, okay, whenever, then we should use bicycle or we should walk. Okay, we should walk to go somewhere. So this will help to decrease the use of fuels as petrol and diesel, and that will also decrease the environmental pollution which is due to carbon dioxide. Okay, increasing level of carbon dioxide, okay, which is harming our environment, which is not good for our health. Okay, now come to the topic factors influencing climate. Under this heading, what it is written: climate is influenced and controlled by certain factors. Okay, climate is controlled and influenced by different factors. Main among these are latitude or distance from the equator, okay, altitude, humidity, precipitation and wind. Okay, some points under, the factors, some factors under the topic influencing the climate is, main among these are, okay, latitude. Latitude means distance from the equator. Okay, as we all know, the line which is connecting from east to west, okay, in the middle of the earth, which divides the earth into two hemispheres, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. That line, when we go upward, okay, Okay, when we go upward from the equator or we go downward to the equator, so the distance from the equator, okay, the distance from the equator when you go upside or you go downside, so the distance from the equator is called latitude. Okay, after that altitude. Altitude means distance, sorry, height from the sea level. Okay, something which is at height and that height is measured from the sea level. Okay, so that type of height is called altitude. Okay, after that humidity. Humidity, what is humidity? The amount of water vapor, okay, the amount of water vapor which is released in the air, or we can say which is present in the air, okay, which feels, which makes us feel suffocation while breathing, okay, and we sweat a lot, and after that rain happens. So that type of weather is humidity. Precipitation. Precipitation means as we receive the rainfall, okay, when we receive rainfall, it comes on the land and it is deposited under the ground level. After that, in the form of humidity, with the help of water vapors, the water which is available in the water resources on the ground level, that is again taken up from the ground level to the sky, and again it is, after the humidity rises, again it rains. So it is, we can see a water cycle which goes up and comes down. Okay, goes up in the form of water vapor and comes down in the form of rains. So this is called, this cycle is called precipitation. After that, wind. As we all know, wind, what is wind? A pleasant movement of air, okay, that is, we say wind. Okay, movement of air which is normally, which is pleasant, that type of movement of air is called wind. So these are the some important factors influencing climate. First one is latitude. First one is latitude. Okay, under this topic latitude, okay, this is the first topic under the heading factors influencing climate. Latitude or distance from the equator is one of the most important factors affecting the climate of a place. The further one goes from the equator, the colder it gets. Okay, the further any body or object which goes further from the equator, okay, either it goes upward, either it goes downward, so it gets colder. Okay, therefore places near the equator are hotter than places at higher latitudes. As a rule, the higher the latitude, the colder the climate of the place. Okay, suppose that this is the equator. Okay, assume that this is the equator and this east and west, this one is north and this one is south. Okay, I am talking about what is latitude. When we are going further, okay, when anyone is going, the further one goes from the equator. When we are going further from the equator, this line is equator, and any object or any body when moves upwards, okay, upwards to the north direction or downwards to the south direction, then this body is moving upward or downward, or we can say further. ठीक है, मतलब इक्वेटर की लाइन से जब हम दूर जाते हैं ऊपर की तरफ, या इक्वेटर की लाइन से जब हम नीचे आते हैं, तो दोनों में क्या होता है, वो बॉडी जो है वो इक्वेटर की लाइन से दूर जा रही है. ठीक है, that body is moving further from the line of equator. So it is called when the body moves further from the equator, it gets the colder climate. ठीक है, जब हम ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे, या दूसरे शब्दों में कहें कि जब हम इक्वेटर से दूर होंगे तो हम कोल्डर क्लाइमेट की तरफ जाएंगे। ठीक है, चाहे हम ऊपर जाएं या नीचे जाएं। क्यों? क्योंकि ठीक है, दिस लाइन इज लाइन ऑफ इक्वेटर, दिस लाइन इज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, Tropic of Cancer. This line is Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn. This is Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. This one is Arctic Circle. This one is Arctic Circle, and this line is, as we all know, 0 degree of equator. These points we will read in our next pages, but before that I should explain you that why places further from the equator are colder. Okay? Why places further from the equator are colder? Because here we can assume that this is sun. Okay, this is sun, and this is the rays of the sun. Okay, this is sun. You can see this is sun, and the rays of the sun, जो सूर्य की रोशनी है, जो सूर्य की किरणें हैं, वो डायरेक्ट क्या होती है? इक्वेटर के लाइन पर। ठीक है, इक्वेटर के लाइन पर, या हम ये कह सकते हैं धरती के बीचों बीच इस हिस्से पर फोकस करती है। ठीक है, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अप टू दिस लेवल, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, और ये इक्वेटर का जो हिस्सा है इस लाइन पर फोकस करती है। ठीक है, सो दिस एरिया इज वेरी मच हॉट. Okay, the climate of this region is very hot, and hottest climate is near the equator. On the equator, it is the hottest area. After that, this one is temperate near the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area is temperate zone, and this is frigid zone. Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. This is frigid zone. फ्रिजिड जोन मतलब बर्फीली क्षेत्र है, ये बर्फीले क्षेत्र है। क्यों? क्योंकि सूर्य की किरणें जो हैं नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल पर नहीं जा पाती, या ना के बराबर जाती हैं, या बहुत कम जाती हैं। ठीक है, सो दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई दीज नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल आर वेरी मच कोल्डर प्लेसेस, और दे हैव वेरी कोल्डर क्लाइमेट। ओके, सो दिस इज द रीजन जब हम इक्वेटर से ऊपर की तरफ जितनी दूर जाते हैं, या इधर की तरफ जितनी दूर आते हैं, हम कोल्डर क्लाइमेट एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट इज एल्टीट्यूड. Altitude or the height of a place above the sea level also affects the climate of a place. Temperature decreases with altitude. Okay, temperature decreases with altitude. It does so at the rate of around 6.5 Celsius per 1000 meters rise in altitude. Okay, thus the higher we go, the cooler it gets. Sea level, ठीक है, समुद्र का जो सी लेवल होता है, उससे हम जितना ऊपर जाते हैं, ठीक है, हम जितनी ऊपर जाएंगे, जितनी हाइट पे जाएंगे, हमें कोल्डर प्लेसेस या कोल्ड टेम्परेचर का एक्सपीरियंस होगा। ठीक है, और जितना ही हम ग्राउंड लेवल पे रहते हैं, उस सी लेवल के जितने नज़दीक रहते हैं, हम ग्राउंड सरफेस पे रहते हैं, ग्राउंड लेवल पे रहते हैं, तो हमारा टेम्परेचर जो है वो हाई रहेगा, हम हॉट टेम्परेचर एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे। ओके, सो It does so at the rate of around 6.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर 1000 मीटर्स राइज इन एल्टीट्यूड, हर 1000 मीटर पे, ठीक है। सी लेवल से हर 1000 मीटर पे जब हम ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं तो हर 1000 मीटर पे 6.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस का टेम्परेचर जो है वो डिक्रीज होता है। मतलब हम जितनी ऊपर जाते हैं हाइट पे उतना ही हमको ठंडा टेम्परेचर मिलता है, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जांपल जो हमारा रीजन है उत्तर प्रदेश, दैट इज प्लेन्स एरिया, ठीक है, मैदानी क्षेत्र है। मैदानी क्षेत्र से जब हम पहाड़ी क्षेत्र पर जाते हैं, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, ओके, सो दैट प्लेसेस आर एट हायर लेवल, ऊंचाई पे है वो, दे आर ऑन हाइट, ठीक है। माउंटेनियस रीजन्स तो वो क्या है, हाइट में है, समुद्र लेवल से बहुत हाइट में है, तो वो जितनी हाइट पे रहेंगे तो वहाँ पर ठंडा मौसम रहेगा। दैट इज वाई द पीपल फ्रॉम प्लेन्स एरियाज इन समर सीजन दे मूव और they go for a vacation to the higher altitude places, okay, because they get colder condition over there. Now for this video, this is now sufficient, I can say sufficient material for this video. Again we are going to cover some new topics in our new videos. Till then please be supportive for your online classes as well as your videos, and the PDFs which are being provided to you, you should complete your homeworks, assignments, okay, for your test which is coming up in nearby days, okay. Thank you so much.